Embraer has announced a bold new role for its A-29 Super Tucano, hunting unmanned aerial vehicles with precision, efficiency, and surprisingly low cost. Using laser-guided missiles and its onboard machine guns, the Super Tucano can now detect, identify, and take down drones in midair. The secret? A clever combination of existing sensors and weapons, paired with adapted tactics and procedures, turning this humble turboprop into a deadly drone interceptor. We continuously expand the capabilities of the A-29 to meet the challenges countries face worldwide, says Bosco da Costa Jr., President and CEO of Embraer Defense and Security. Recent conflicts have shown the urgent need for effective drone countermeasures. The A-29 provides an affordable, reliable solution while still performing traditional missions like close air support, armed reconnaissance, and advanced pilot training. And there's a reason a slower aircraft works better than a supersonic jet against drones. Fast fighters often overshoot their target, while expensive air-to-air missiles are overkill against small, cheap drones. The Super Tucano's agility, long endurance, and low operating costs make it perfect for patrolling skies and intercepting drones without calling in costly air defenses. Could the humble turboprop become the new hero in the skies against drones? Let us know what you think in the comments, and make sure to hit subscribe for more updates on aviation innovations from up in the sky.